araw mo, pre. Yung mga pag-grind mo nun, struggle of life, this is it, this is the fruit. Congratulations, yan talaga legit. Ay na, nice one, pre.
Mananalo na ng raffle. Thank you sa pagpayag kasi wala kasi akong masyadong friends. So, napilitan lang ako. Ang dami kasi kaibigan ni Groom. So, sabi ko, wala na, dalawa lang kaibigan ko. Tapos di pa makakapunta. So, pero thank you sa effort nyo.
Thank you so much. Wala na tayo pang kain.
Sa isang buwang panliligaw mo sa akin, sinagot na din kita. Sabi ko, pwede na to.
My beautiful wife. Right? Nabasa yung wala. Thank you for making my world brighter. I'm so excited to spend forever with you. Love you. Zipper. Legit, guys! May isa pang zipper sa loob.
I just wanna be close to your heart. This is where my healing finds its start. Here is where I find my peace, where my soul is finally free.
Today, I stand before the man I fell in love with, even before meeting him in person. I fell in love with you before I ever held your hand. And in that moment, I realized, love is not meant to be painful. It is meant to be safe.
Wherever you go, God, I will follow. I'm not scared to get lost in your love.
I'm so lucky to have met you in this lifetime, and I know my mama is happy, knowing I found someone who looks at me the way you do. But no matter how much you may think you've got everything under control, I promise to be here for you. I will take care of you in my own way, just as you take care of me.
I'm going all in over my head. I'm not scared to get drenched in your love. Wherever you go, God, I will follow. I'm not scared to get lost in your love. I'm not scared to get lost in your love. 'Cause your power's found in the roughest water.
Maalam ko, ginaguide mo ko dyan. Alam kong sobrang happy ka na si Barry yung nakilala ko kasi hindi niya ako pinapabayaan. Nararamdaman ko yung care mo sa akin through Barry. No, sobrang miss na kita. Saan nandito ka ngayon?
Oh, take me there. Your power's found in the roughest water.
Kahit anong pagsubok man dumaan sa atin, kahit gaano kabigat, araw-araw ikaw pipiliin.
Where my every fear has to surrender, I will trust in you forever. Take me there. Oh, take me there. I'm going all in over my head.
Thank you for treating me like a princess and making me your queen. I vow to always support and love you as you do for me. Because no matter what, I'll always be by your side. Kasi ikaw lang yung taong alam na alam kung paano makuha yung pikon ko. Pero ikaw lang din yung may kaya na magpakalma sa akin.
Not scared to get lost in your love. I'm going all in over my head. I'm not scared.
You are my comfort, my everything, and now my home. I'm so excited to stand here finally at the beginning with you. Happy anniversary.
I'm not scared to get lost in your love. No, I'm not scared to get lost in your love.
5, 6, 7, harap sa kaliwa! Man, happy anniversary, first anniversary. Eto na agad. This is it.
Guys, salamat nga pala sa pagpunta nyo rito. Alam ko sobrang busy nyo.
Lasing yan mamaya.